It's a Proth Psgs3060 surface grinder. It's January 2019. This is a 2006 model. So you're running a little bit, just run the table back and forth and that auto feeding. Increments right now. So we'll stop it and go the other direction. And it has a coolant tank, hydraulic tank. There's the tag, November 2006. See the adjustments, the spindle's running right now. See its incrementing spindle is 1800 RPM. You see the wheel sizes. And again, it's got the automatic. It's got the Pro for sharp control. Magnetic chuck. It's got the chuck power. And that's it.